Check out this is 2011 BMW 3 Series 328i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Enjoy these notable features: illuminated entry, telescoping steering wheel, 4-wheel independent suspension, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, front fog lights, radio data system, and rear anti-roll bar. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.